Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic and the topic name is preposition. So earlier I taught you, I gave you introduction of preposition, definition, and I also gave you some examples of preposition and I explained the rules and all. Okay, now come to the second part of this preposition. So, at first see here the examples, what I have written. The first example I have written here, he divided his property among his 5 sons. So, how many sons are there? There are 5 sons. So, what do you understand here? What is the preposition used here in this sentence? It is among. That means we use preposition among for more than 2 persons. Okay. So here he divided his property among his 5 sons. So what is the rule? Rule is that we use preposition among for more than 2 persons. Alright. Now come to the another example. She stood between her husband and son. Now how many persons are there apart from she? So here 2 persons are there, that is husband and the son. So if we talk about only for 2 persons, then we can use what? Between. So where she was, she stood between her husband and son. Here again we are talking about 2 persons, and that is why we shall use here between preposition, not among. Okay. So come to the next example. Meet me before dinner. What I have written? Meet me before dinner. So what is preposition here? I have used here preposition before. Now we use the preposition before earlier than. When we have to express a sense of what earlier than, ke pehle, in that condition we shall use here what? Before. For example, another example you will see here, come back before dark. मतलब dark होने से पहले जो है वापस लौट के आ जाना. Alright. So here also we shall use before preposition. Now see here the another example. It is, I shall finish my work by Sunday. I shall finish my work by Sunday. What is the meaning of this one by? We use this preposition by here because there is a limit when we talk about a certain limit. यानी संडे तक या संडे के पहले तक मैं कर लूँगा, not more than that. In that condition we use what? Preposition by. जैसे क्या मैंने लिखा है? I shall finish my work by Sunday. That means Sunday is the deadline. Alright. So by Sunday ultimately anyhow I have to complete the work. So in that situation we shall use what? By preposition. Now let's move ahead towards the another example. He travelled from Delhi to Kanpur. So is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. What preposition I have used here? From. Why? Because this from preposition is used to indicate the source, or we can say what the starting point of the place or anything. So he travelled from Delhi to Kanpur. So what is the starting place? He started travelling from Delhi. So what is the starting? Delhi, and that is why we shall use here from preposition. कहाँ से कहाँ तक आप लिखते हैं ना? You write in the application also. क्या लिखते हैं? You are requested to kindly grant me leave from this to this. So there also you used what? You have to use preposition. Alright. Now, see here another example. Apples come from Kashmir. Here it is also reflecting what? The source of place or the starting point of the place. कहाँ से apple आता है तो कश्मीर से. That is why we have used here preposition from. Okay, let's move ahead towards another important preposition. Yes, my dear. Please look at few questions based on preposition. I was born as 1999. Okay. Tell me, what should I use here? What is the which preposition we should use here? So of course, what should be here? In. I was born in the year of what? 1999. So, what do you understand by this example? By this example, we can understand we use preposition in case of what? Year. Now, come to the another example. We took exam dash March. Here, we are talking about the month. It is what? March is the month name. Okay. So, here also we use preposition in. So, in order to indicate month, year, we use in preposition. Okay. Now, come to the another example. Ram will go to Delhi dash Monday. What should be right? What should be here? Tell me which preposition we should use here. Of course, you will say what? On. So, we use the on preposition before the date or before the day that I already taught you. Let us go dash the garden. Okay. Tell me which preposition we should write here. See another example also. The frog jumped dash the water. So, what do you observe here? You observe here that we are what? Getting some kind of motion over here. From one place to another place. Alright? The frog jumped. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? एक मोशन का हमें इंडिकेशन मिल रहा है. मोशन मतलब क्या? कुछ चेंजेस आ रहा है एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने में. जैसे फ्रॉग पहले बाहर था and it just jumped into the water. So we use what? Into preposition here. Into. Similarly, let's go dash the garden. So that means here we are outside and we want to go inside the garden. So here we shall use preposition into. Let's go into the garden. Now, he killed the lion with a gun. So here already I have used preposition with. So in order to indicate some tools, we use with preposition. Now, look at here the next example. He left for Mumbai. Okay. So for destination, you also use preposition for. गंतव्य स्थान के लिए भी हम लोग किसका यूज करते हैं? for का. Now, we shall see here the use of preposition since here. So, I have been reading in this school since 2014. Okay. So, we use since word for or to indicate the exact point of time, because here the year is confirmed. कौन सा year है? 2014 है. That is why we shall use here since. Otherwise, if you are not getting sense of exact point of time, for example, मैं 5 वर्षों से इस विद्यालय में पढ़ती आ रही हूँ. In this condition, we shall use what? For. And if we are confirmed, like what those 5 years we are talking about, if certain year is given, then or certain date is given, In that situation, in that condition, we shall use since preposition. So this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.